Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Home Depot website not working. So let's get started. So here you have to follow this instruction. So first of all, you have to open Google Play, like google.com. So at here you have to search for the Home Depot. Okay. So then here you have to go to the first website right here. Okay. So here we can set. So if it's not working, you have to follow this instruction. So first of all, you have to check your internet via your internet speed checker, and if your internet is slow, then the website will probably not work. If your internet is fast enough, then it could be a maintenance issue, okay, in the website. If you scroll down, and you can see some reasons also if not working. If you have the issues with the website, you can click on here at the live chat, and you can chat with the assistant from here, and you can raise the query and it will be fixed. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.